Have you ever wondered what it would look like and sound like if you spoke a different language, or how it would feel to talk to someone from a different country and have them actually understand you perfectly in your language but listening in theirs? There's a groundbreaking new tool that can make that happen. It already is unbelievable. It not only translates your voice into another language, but it also syncs your lips perfectly with the translated video. Now, this is mind-blowing, right? Imagine watching a movie or a TV show in a different language and actually seeing the character's lips move in sync with what you're hearing. And so this is going to change the entire dubbing experience, and even especially the amount of people anyone can reach who can create content. Just think about it. Now we can connect with audiences from all over the world, no matter where we are or what language we speak. It's a game changer for the film and television industry, but it doesn't stop there. This tool has the potential to revolutionize the way we consume content on all of our social media platforms. Particulièrement pour les créateurs de contenu comme nous. Juste y penser. Maintenant, nous pouvons communiquer avec des publics mondiaux, peu importe notre emplacement ou notre langue. C'est un changement pour le cinéma et la télévision. Mais ça ne s'arrête pas là. Cet outil peut révolutionner comment nous consommons du contenu sur nos plateformes de médias sociaux. 特に私たちのようなコンテンツクリエイターにとって考えてみてください。今、私たちはどこにいてもどんな言語を話していても世界中の観客とつながることができます。映画やテレビ業界にとってのゲームチェンジャーですが、このツールはソーシャルメディア上でのコンテンツ消費方法を変革する可能性があります。I know what some of you might be thinking. What about all of those people working in localization? Aren't there people going to lose their jobs and who specialize in this and the translating and dubbing content today? These people who are working in these industries are the ones who are going to use these tools in the future. And the amount of opportunities and possibilities this will open up in all industries around the globe. This technology is just the beginning. If we can already do this with voice and lip syncing, imagine what the future holds. Okay, the tool is called HeyGen, and it does so much more than just translate videos. Here it is. I'm on the main screen. You can look at it. You have avatars, photo avatars, templates, AI scripts. You can actually make avatars talk. None of these people, I believe, are actually real. You can go into avatar here, pick from all of these different people. You have voices that you can use to record. I'm going to go back home and get back to where what we are actually going to do here. And then there's a thing right over here. It's called Labs. And this is where you can actually click on Video Translate. It's an app that they've put in here. And once you're on here, you just drop in your video and it's going to translate it just like you heard mine earlier. It's incredible. Who knows what else they're going to have in store for us in the future. It's truly mind-blowing, and I couldn't recommend it enough. Just remember to use it with caution, like everything else, and appreciate the power of real human connection. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments below. Subscribe to the page. I want to see what you guys are creating, and I will talk to you soon.